Bilib din ako dito kay Barrera at nakaya niya yung mga maganda yung kaliwa, Manny ha.
Manny Pacquiao there. In clear space. Now, I think Manny Pacquiao pursuing Barrotillo. He knows that Barrotillo is hurt. And he goes down. Barrotillo the canvas for the first time in this fight. Barrotillo is down. Hindi pwedeng magkumpiyan.
Medyo tinamaan si Manny doon. Tinamaan si Manny Pacquiao ngayon.
Whatever. That was a big reaction.
It's a great reaction.
And Bruce McDavis and a furious exchange of combat. Of course, Kyung Kwon Tai did not come to the Philippines to lose this fight.
And Manny going to the body to slow down this taong.
Now is Kyung Kwon Tai. Pupunta na sa katawan. And throwing up. A side uppercut. Hit Kyung Kwon Tai. And it's all over. Manny Pacquiao is incredible.
Manny Pacquiao retaining the WBC International Super Bantamweight Championship.
Sabi ko nga sa inyo, bilisan natin yung introduction at sapagkat tingnan natin yung...
Lahat ng mga tao po nakatayo dito.
Dinidiin ang Pacquiao, yung pa rin ang pulupunti rin niya, yung putok, yung sa kaliwang kila, yung Nagal, Jose, Nagal sa ba, sumuntok na lang! Kaya sumusunod, pinagsabihan ni Carlos Magina kanilang kung si Nagal, Jose, dubo-dubo na naman yung kila.
Side position, bakit kaya?
Ayun, yun.
Maganda daw yung sugat.
Ayaw. Sabi, hindi na raw pwede. Tinigil.
Tinigil na.
Tinigil.
Tinigil na yung laban.
Nagreklamo si Phoenix.
And look at Tajima. Oh, what a tremendous fighter.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
He's in trouble. Pacquiao has him against the rope.
This is a massacre.
Yes.
I think they will stop it.
Yeah, they should. I think.
This is a
Tajima.
massacre.
Oh boy. He's in trouble. He's backing up. He's in deep trouble.
He has no defense.
He has no defense. And the referee is going to stop it.
He never went down. He never went down. But they stop it. Yeah. It was a massacre.
Si Manny nasasalo, tapos na ang boxing.
Ayan, tinamaan ng kaliwa si Manny Pacquiao. Still there.
Nati-dribble yung mukha ni Manny.
Ayun. Matibay itong kalaban. Napakadulas. Napakadulas po. Elusive target.
Yun, dalawang tama, pero nandun pa rin. Yun. Naglogi.
Nakuha na.
Naglogi.
Ilunato. Ilunato, tumakbo. Tumakbo po.
For the first time, tumakbo. Si Wetya sakmok lang.
Kaya tata. Oh, tapos. Tama ang ginawin. Ito po. Parang meron, tumutuloy.
Grabe yung tama na yun, ha?
Tumutuloy.
Yung parang aftershock.
Pero tama yung strategy ni Manny.
Yung patama ni Manny Pacquiao, meron pang aftershock na pinili tumayo ni Wetya sakmok lang. Lumagabag ulit, tumiklop ang tuhod sa impact ng mga
Roberto Duran, but Pacquiao is the one out of your way.
Pacquiao got away with a low blow. Joe Cortez was blocked from seeing it. Freddie Roach also told his fighter, don't follow Ledwaba around, cut off the ring. Come on. Ledwaba getting a little bit more adept at...
That's what Pacquiao's got to do. Keep throwing the shot, Pacquiao.
With mustard. Pacquiao is fun to watch.
He's been caught by surprise. He's a good fighter. He had no idea.
Pacquiao may take care of it.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Weariness and almost a resignation in the eyes of Ledwaba.
Yeah, and Joe Cortez has seen enough. That's a TKO victory for the very impressive Manny Pacquiao, who takes a good fighter and just takes him.
Two begins. Another straight left hand by Pacquiao. And you heard Julio's corner saying, hit him in the belly. And down goes Julio.
It was a perfect...
Freddie Roach told him to go in behind the double jab and followed him with the left hand. He did it twice in a row, and the second one dropped Julio.
This is some prospect, Bobby. To me, he's every bit as exciting as Prince Nassim Hamed.
He really is. He can punch. He can take a punch. He's aggressive, and he loves to fight. I think Julio's going to have trouble finishing this round. I really do.
Julio trying to fight his way back. A little grabbing and holding might be the thing to do. Pacquiao's just getting ready to swing away again. And Bill Clancy's seen enough. Devastating second round TKO for Manny Pacquiao. What?
ああいうちょっとした休みがですね、やっぱり助かるんですよね。
元気出ましたね、パキャオ。あーと元気いっぱい、元気回復しています。いまして、気が抜けてしまうものですが。おお、いたの、あたたたたた。今のよろけ方は浜田さん聞いてたんでしょうかね。
まだ1分20秒ありますから。
ありますからね。決まりそうですね、このラウンド。いきますいきます。とにかくもう左でどんどんいきます。
一発当たればいいですね。
踏みとどまれません。ああ、止めましたね。試合終了です。もうこれ以上やっても勝負ありだということでしょう。ダウングラウンド、第5ラウンド途中で試合。
Pacquiao's trainer, Freddie Roach, argues that his 122-pound fighter, struggling to make weight, would be a threat to knock out 126-pound kingpins Eric Morales and Marco Antonio Barrera. Your take?
I think he would definitely be
grinning through most of the first two rounds here, feeling as though he's in control against Emmanuel Lucero. And after that punch, he is totally in control, and the referee instantly stops the fight.
He was out on his feet with a punch that landed right on the point of the jaw.
Jose comfortable in LA. You can see there's the left hand that starts to Lucero standing up.
out of danger by getting that low.
Gives you a pretty good idea as to how heavy are Manny Pacquiao's hands.
Yes, and it's good focus and concentration too.
That's the boxing world.
Sure will.
Barrera is one of the highest regarded fighters in the world.
He's an icon.
Been one of the most entertaining, complete fighters in the world.
One of the most knocked down fighters in the world right at this moment. Second official knockdown of the fight for Pacquiao. He's right on top of Barrera.
Pacquiao from exhaustion, yes, in that occasion.
But officially said knockdown. But he's taken a lot of left hands. I wouldn't send him out for the 12th round, Manny. I don't care how proud he is. There's no way a great fighter should have to go through 3 more minutes of this.
No, because Pacquiao is not backing off. If you're the guy that was holding up.
Here comes Barrera's corner. Barrera's corner man is up on the apron. He's going to step into the ring. That's a good...
By Barrera in the face of an awesome young fighter.
Awesome.
We are not going...
napabagsak na niya na 2 beses ang kanyang kalaban. Pero nagsasabi, baka naman si Manny kargahin itong si Tasong Tirang. Again, hindi po uso yan, ano? Ayaw natin i-risk yan. And Manny Pacquiao now. Ang sabi nga ng mga kano dito, one punch! The left hand! by Manny Pacquiao against Pasong Pirang.
At sabi ni Pasan, okay, lalaban pa ako. One punch brought down Pasan in this round.
Ito
na naman.
Goodbye.
And that's it. It's over. It's over. Manny Pacquiao, sensational knockout.
Winwork out lang yung kanan.
Grabe.
Ang kaliwa. Pumunta pa rin siya sa kaliwa niya. Ano kailangan
Hindi
niya?
malaman ni Pasan kung nasaan siya. Hindi niya malaman. At hindi niya nakita.
Na magtatago sa kanan. Uli, ayan, napipiki ng kanan. And look at that left. Ang ganda ng timing dito.
At nakita mo, no? Yung dalawang paa, umangat. Umangat yung dalawang paa. From the canvas. Bihira natin nakikita yan.
Mamaya babalikan natin yung angle just to
Grabe
show you
yun.
how excellent that form of Manny Pacquiao was when he delivered that. Ang ganda,
At saka
no?
yung power. Yung power. Umangat yung dalawang paa from the canvas. And you rarely see that in a boxing fight. Not unless you see a Mike Tyson inside the ring.
Mamaya ho,
Power.
babalikan natin.
Wait, it can be a big factor late in the fight.
Perfect right hand by Pacquiao.
Right hook.
Stuns Velasquez. Pacquiao trying to finish it. Got 40 seconds to get it done. One of the most vicious finishers in the sport. Velasquez in big trouble now. Trying to hold on.
Velasquez is doing something that's very smart. Clinch, even if you have to fall down with the opponent.
Pacquiao just...
Velasquez is not only hurt, I think fatigue is a big factor now. There's no way I can see him going into the fight.
The increasing accuracy of Pacquiao's shots making a difference, and Velasquez goes to his knee as the round comes to a close. They're saying he did so before the bell, so it is a knockdown. And that's a stoppage.
To the problem.
All right, let's take a look here. This is the first moment at which Velasquez was hurt. Look at the perfect right hook. As Velasquez was stepping in, Pacquiao picking his spot and nailing him with that right hook.
The punch that you don't see is the punch that always hurts you.
And then a barrage of straight left hands following that. And referee Lou Filippo watching closely to be certain that Velasquez was still throwing, still defending himself. When Velasquez went down, Filippo gave him...
His night, pretty much, from start to finish.
Well, I'm sure there will be thousands of broken hearts to see Eric Morales finish like that tonight, but there's no denying Manny Pacquiao told us before he came into the ring he was looking to be the first man to stop Eric Morales. He's done that.
Oh, what a solid left hand by Pacquiao. It's hard to imagine how Morales can last long against this.
Well, until he goes out, he's going to be fighting all the way down. He's not going to back up.
What guts by Morales. He straights Pacquiao with right hands, even while on unsteady feet.
Into the corner, looking for his father, as if to say, back to the guys, it's the relentless pressure after Manny
Tremendous straight left hand shot for Pacquiao. Diaz falls into his arms. If the idea here is that there's some, it won't be in some way embellished by letting him go to a bloodier, more brutal finish. How many more? Down he goes, and Dracula stops the fight.
He should have never got to that.
Flame of pure fire.
He did it all.
Incomparable in the sport. There's only one.
First class.
Right on the chin. Larry, you envisioned this one. Could you see Pacquiao against Margarito?
no, and he himself says he's going back to 140 after this fight. This could be the end of the fight here.
Yeah, Oscar has no defense at all.
The fighter who may have the best chance of picking up his identity.
20 Weeks has a tough decision in front of him.
One more round, or is that it? Is that it?
Right now, we're here. The corner is willing to stop the fight.
Is that it? Yeah. That's it.
It's done. Manny Pacquiao has beaten Oscar De La Hoya.
And it was a right
fight. Finally told the truth to Oscar and said, he's too fast, you can't stop him, and that's the end of that. And the pride of the Philippines, again.
Which again shows that he's no longer a one-punch puncher.
Well, follows the jab with a hook, comes back with another jab. There's the straight left hand, and he landed it right on Hatton's chin. And down goes Hatton after he swings and misses with a left hook. Another perfect right hand for Pacquiao. Another right hook. Straight left hand. Pacquiao's landing at will. Hard left hand. Hatton has to hold on. Will Hatton make it out of the round? He's down for the second time. This is the brilliance. I think Pacquiao may have spent the first 2 minutes of this round thinking knockout and allowed himself to get a little wild. Now he goes back to more precision. Lands a hard body shot.
But Ricky isn't moving his head too much still. His head is still right there.
That is oh my gosh, what a straight left hand. And will Hatton make it up from this?
Can he beat the count?
Is that it? And Kenny Bayless says on a podium this morning, saying I'm back and I'm still the best. Manny Pacquiao makes his statement right here in the ring, knocking out Ricky Hatton.
And his trainer.
Oh yeah,
He bounces out his top. Very good.
Was rushing in. Manny landed a little right hook in there and follows up. This is a very bad idea. Cotto pounding away.
At this point, he's catching every punch that Cotto throws.
Well, the reason he's taking a breather,
Bigger, but they're not known for being physical.
He may have gone to the ropes to let Cotto throw, thinking he could counter him with something big. Now it's Cotto whose back is against the rope, and he fights his way off and goes down. By the others in the corner, including head trainer Joe Santiago. Now Kenny Bayless does his duty.
Hosted a fight of this magnitude. You have to go back to when Muhammad Ali was 33 years old and had a 15-round unanimous decision as the knockdown is scored here in round number 3.
Or maybe even a nice, it's an uppercut. A left uppercut right up the guard of Batiste. Split the guard. The punch that you don't. Batiste's still dangerous.
Then a counter right.
Having some moments in this round.
Oh, that got to him. He takes a knee after Pacquiao lands.
Pacquiao stocking with that jab. Comes around with a little short hook. Clips Batiste, looks like on a temple possibly.
It doesn't take much when you... Uppercut again, and he puts him down again. Pacquiao floors him a third time. Pacquiao has done it. Knockout victory on his return fight. How about it?
I agree with you. Over this course of this fight.
That was a big shot.
Yes, it was.
I mean, that was a big shot, that left uppercut.
But he has his wits. You can see that. He has his wits. And he spits out the mouthpiece.
Yes. Only he knows, though, what's going on.
Anybody want to know?
But now the